Hello guys, and I'm back with another video, and this will be the unboxing and first impressions of Panasonic Eluga i8. So I hope you enjoyed. So here we have the box, so let's start with the unboxing. So here are some basic specs which I'll get you in a bit. On the top there is nothing other than the IMA number. Here are the specs of the phone. You can just pause the video and go through it. It has a MediaTek octa-core processor, fingerprint scanner, and also it runs on Android 9. And it's written made for India. I've put the basic spec sheet on the video so you can just go through it. We open the box and we have the phone wrapped in a sheet of paper and it says big view display. So as we open the sheet we can see that it's a nice phone with a pretty good quality, and the back is plastic but it's pretty good quality and there's no problem in it. On the top it has the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and the right side it has the SIM card tray, and here it shows the SAR value which is in limits, not to worry. It also says that the phone is made in India, which is a good thing. And now coming to the in-hand feel, it feels pretty good in the hand. It's handy because it has a 6.22 inch. I'll just power it on and keep it aside while we check out the other box contents. And as we open this tool on the top, we have the clear soft case, which is actually of good quality considering the price point, and it also has the SIM card ejector tool, and the quality is good. It may last for a long time. The case also protects the buttons. And next we have the paperwork, which I don't think so many of us would read. And coming next we have the USB cable, which is USB to micro USB. The cable length is okay and quality is pretty decent. And we also have earphones included, which is of Panasonic brand, and the cable quality is not that great, but at least we are getting it in such a budget phone. And the ear tips are quite good. They are soft, not the hard ones which is uncomfortable, so it's okay. And next we have the power brick, which would most probably be the 10-watt regular charger. So yes, as you can see, it's a 10-watt regular charger, and it's also written made in India on the charger. So let's start with the physical overview. In the top it has the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and to the right it has the power button and the volume rockers, which are of good quality. Down it has the micro USB port, speaker grill, and microphone. And to the left it has the SIM card tray. So it is a dedicated SIM card tray. You can put one SD card and two SIMs together. These are all the things that we got in the box. So I'll just set up the phone and I'll be back in some time. I have finished setting up the phone, and now I could see that the company also provided a pre-applied screen guard, which is actually good, and the buttons feel good. They might last for a long time. One thing which I liked a lot about this phone is that the back doesn't leave out fingerprint marks like many other phones. Like, it's pretty clean. As you can see, there are no fingerprint marks and all that stuff, so it's actually good. It's a single camera phone. There are fingerprint marks on the front screen but not on the back side. And now coming to the fingerprint scanner, it's actually pretty fast. As you can see, it just unlocks fast. For this budget, I think it's very fast. And now we can see that it's complete clean stock and there are no bloatware, no junk. It's completely clean, just like Pixel phones. And the brightness is not that great, pretty great. It's okay, it's understandable, but it's not that great. I've put
This
the
one
black
thing
box just to
surprised me a
cover the
lot,
IMEI
which is
number of the
missing in
phone.
many phones, but this phone has it, and that is the physical LED notification light, which I miss a lot.
I'll just take two quick photos from this phone and I'll just show you how good it comes out. The camera of this phone is not that great, and considering the price point, I know it is acceptable. It can do good photos, but I don't think it's the best of cameras. The phone actually has a good case along with it in the box, and this is how it looks when the case is put. Coming to the earphones, the quality is good, and I'll be showing you the sound quality of the earphones and all in the review, which I'll put up in some time. The main features because of which I consider this phone to be the best around 8,000 rupees is because it is the only phone in that price to have a good fingerprint scanner, and it also has many accessories in the box like the case, earphones, and the screen guard. So according to me, this is the best phone under 8,000, and thank you for watching.